वेल कोविड क्राइसिस पिछले 1.5 साल से हम इसी बीच में जूझ रहे हैं। पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव, नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव, यही कंफ्यूजन हर किसी को भी थी, लेकिन मेंटली आपको पॉजिटिव होना बहुत जरूरी है। एज दे से ऑलवेज टर्न अ नेगेटिव सिचुएशन इनटू द पॉजिटिव सिचुएशन। तो आज माय बिजनेस इनसाइडर में हम बात करने वाले हैं रियल एस्टेट में कितना इसका इफेक्ट पड़ा है और कैसे वो उभर के सामने आ रही है। इस पर बात करने के लिए राइट नाउ आई हैव मिस्टर अक्षय तनेजा, एमडी TDI Infratech and founder of TDI City Mohali. Welcome to my business insider, Akshay.
Hi Gagan, how are you? Good evening.
I'm really fantastic, really good to see you, and you are looking absolutely fresh.
I'm fresh. I just drove from Chandigarh, from Delhi to Chandigarh to get my business done, to do the job that.
even fit also. I mean, I'm sure lockdown का भी काफी फर्क पड़ा होगा अपनी mental state और अपनी physical state पे आपने काफी ध्यान दिया होगा इस बार.
I mean, it's a cliche, but destiny is in your own hands. You work out every day. You go to as many meetings as you can and keep the ball rolling. So
wow.
You have to do that.
That's great. That's great. तो आज का My Business Insider बहुत exciting होने वाला है. A few questions for you. सबसे पहले तो इस कोविड क्राइसिस की अगर मैं बात करूं तो बिजनेस और लीडरशिप पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से क्या आपकी लर्निंग्स रही अक्षय?
Well, learning from the first virus wave and the second virus wave is that hold your ground. Don't fall back because the situation is going to make you fall back, because every, be it real estate or be it any other industry or life, for that matter, it's a cyclic chain. So absolutely. There'll be ups and whenever there's down, you need to be more focused, more into the groove, more keep giving strength to yourself and doing things, taking actions. Whether it's work, whether it's staying home for 2 months because the lockdowns there, be positive, stay focused, and keep yourself, your surroundings healthy, because you are what you get and you are what you give.
Absolutely.
So stay positive.
Definitely. But जैसे मैंने अभी कहा ही था, if you stay positive in a negative situation, you will definitely win.
Exactly.
So अक्षय, अगर हम पिछला ट्रेंड देखें, मतलब एक वेव आई, फिर उसके बाद सेकंड वेव भी आई, बट एक चीज जो हमने ट्रेंड्स देखे, लॉकडाउन में रियल एस्टेट में काफी डिमांड आ गई. तो इस बार भी क्या हम देख सकते हैं ये लॉकडाउन के बाद कि वैसा ही सिचुएशन आएगा या इस बार उससे भी बड़ा बूम देखने को मिलेगा?
So the demand that you saw after the first wave, India, everyone knows Tier 1, especially in Tier 2 and most prominently in Tier 3, the increase in rates, the demand has been phenomenal, whether it is in the first wave. Now in the second wave, it will be a little delayed because it will take approximately 3 to 4 months for the country to get, vaccination levels of 50 to 60%. Once that happens, there is a blockage in people's mind after the second wave, which will go away and there will be a bigger boom than the first time in real estate, specifically in real estate, and for in other sectors too. And I'm quite positive. You can already see that as soon as the first wave opened, the cases decreased. They are already increased in sales of smartphones, electronic appliances, washing machines. Cars are a little slow because that comes in a higher category of expenditure, which as does real estate. That is why the response is delayed. So after 3 months, by the third quarter ending November, December, you will see another boom in real estate in which the prices will increase again of residential first and then.
So Akshay, talking about TDI City Mohali, वहाँ पे क्या डेवलपमेंट हो रही है इस टाइम पे अभी और क्या-क्या देखने को मिलेगा?
So we always keep hearing from people in Tri-City that they're going to Delhi. So what we wanted to do was bring Delhi to Tri-City and in the shape of properties. So we have brought the market of South Delhi, which is South X1, South X2, and also a mall which is coming up. It's called. So these 3 properties are going to act like the cyber hub of Gurgaon for the Tri-City. It will have all over the country. You can name any brand. McDonald's is coming up with the first drive-through of Tri-City there. So it will be a destination, an entertainment destination. You can go and hang out there. There's a food court. There's a multiplex. There's a greenery there. So it's a nice open environment, for you to go and just have a stroll and make the new Gedi route of Tri-City.
Oh wow! It's sounding exciting, yeah. मतलब as soon as it's open, like public तो will definitely आएगी, and definitely for every age group you're gonna get everything under one roof.
Yes, I mean there's work to be done. So we are talking about 12 months, probably 15 months from now. But once it is live, it is operational. I would like to come on the show and announce it. So you and your team and people who are listening to all of us, they need to visit this.
You're most welcome. Do come, and definitely we're going to talk. And of course, your next projects. यहाँ पे आप मुझे बताएंगे तो so that we can tell to all other people also. I mean, I'm sure many people, of course, want to get a home there because it is one of the biggest residential property there. So I really want to know. Many people also look up to you because you are, mashallah, you are very young, energetic. So, but कई entrepreneurs हमने देखे हैं. They just started and they are looking for some solutions. So, ऐसे young entrepreneurs को आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे? What will be your message for them?
Well, I would want to give them one and only one message that in this country, whether you're starting out for a startup, whether you joined a startup incubation cell, whether you joined a venture catalyst or your family business, or you don't have any money, that is the point. There is no dirt country. You can do networking, be positive, and tell them you have a business plan and you want to work towards it. You can tie up with as many companies out there. Everyone's hungry. They want to tie up, whether it's a logistics company, whether it's a marketing company, whether it's a real estate company, FMCG company. Everyone wants to do tie-ups, do shared economics and grow themselves, by getting traction. Absolutely. So this is the best time and go out there, approach people. Don't think people are not working. Everyone 12, I can from 8 to 8 every day, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. People who are positive, they are out there, they're doing the meetings on Zoom or in office, or going out there and so that is my message to the young entrepreneurs, that never stop. Always keep going, attend seminars, attend workshops. You will keep finding people and join all platforms. Don't refrain yourself to using a call or only an interview or only on WhatsApp or only on LinkedIn. Or even joining Clubhouse for workshops, joining organizations. Like I'm into real estate, so I was the youngest member. Now, I'm on the wrong side of 20s of CREDAI, which is the Confederation of Real Estate Developers Association of India.
Yeah.
So we have chapters. Real estate, I'm sure every sector there's every association. Textile, there's an association. If you're into restaurants, there's National Restaurant Association of India. Join it. Go there if you're a vendor, supplier, you have a business idea, you want to you launch a product. Be out there and do your thing. Opportunities, they are like buses. There's always the next one to catch. So don't miss it. The next.
Great. So दो चीजें तो एक बहुत समझ में आई हैं जो आपने बताई हैं कि one thing is learning and second is keep looking for the opportunities. और इसी opportunity का हमें फायदा उठाना है. And I'm sure you and your whole team of TDI Infratech is, of course, जो opportunity मिल रही है उसको ये opportunity को जरूर इसको fruitful बनाएगी. So I really wish that we gonna see you next time on a coffee table, not like this on Zoom table.
Yeah, 100% we'll meet. And I also want to say about, because I'm here as a founder and as the operator, as a promoter of TDI Infratech, who has TDS Smart City Township in Mohali.
Yeah.
It's not a residential, I want to clarify. It has houses, apartments, plots for residential. For commercial, there are restaurants, there's a clubhouse, we're coming up, there are already hotels there operated by people who have bought the commercial spaces from us. They are, takeaways, dine-ins, pharmacies, your kirana stores, everything is there in terms. There's a school there, there's a upcoming hospital there. You can go, there's a market where you can go and meet channel partners, be it if you're into real estate or you want, there's an environment where everyone is interacting with each other.
Yes.
So, but as a residential township, it's a community. People are living, we all are attached. 10,000 people living through one channel. The opportunities are endless.
Right. Of course. Definitely. And as I said, all the best to your team. Lockdown unlock ho chuka hai. So I'm sure दोबारा से हम लोग इकट्ठे सारे with a positive mind will go forward. Thank you very much once again, Akshay.
Nice to talk to you and everyone who's listening. Namaskar.
Thank you very much. So that was Akshay Taneja, MD TDI Infratech and the founder of TDI City Mohali. So next time we're going to have another personality on My Business Insider. तब तक के लिए आप सुनते रहिए और देखते रहिए 94.3 My FM. चलो आज कुछ अच्छा सुनते हैं और देखते हैं. Take care.